Guys, welcome to my video. So today, we're going to go to Roblox and just play. Hi guys. So you guys can see my name is I love bacon hairs. I love bacon hairs. So if you like to add me, you could add me. This is my avatar. I got 0 Robux. I got $400 and then I just boom, panis. I gave it 125. I gave it to Tito Prince and now she's still begging. She's a gold digger. One of my favorite. I do have a crush. Just kidding. Full jumps overnight. Hey guys, what do you think I should play over here? See, oh, really say, mobile, bro, stop it. Okay, I'm done. That's a shit, bro. This is a fake garden. Okay, guys, today we're going to we're just going to get something from Adapt. So, if you don't mind, I'll just get something from Adapt. I'm not it anymore. Yeah, I'm not you anymore. Yeah. This is like my old favorite game, but I've gotten used to it, so I just pick up the daily rewards. Let's see. Thank you. Yippee. Let's see, guys. Also, guys, I'm trading my pet, which is icy porcupine that I got from this. And what I got also is this frozen penguin, ultra rare. I also got from this. I might be that lucky. So guys, okay, bye bye. Okay, let's claim this. Hey guys, so we're going to play again. I know we're going to play something again.